my lovelies, it's finally time to make this into something. So this was the 3 Newzers Mixels, and I can't remember the number, sorry. But I'm going to turn it into the Lixer Max with the help of Paddy's iPad, which he's forgotten to give me, that's got the instructions on it. Shh. Hooray! So Paddy will time-lapse this. Hopefully it looks like it's time-lapse this time, because last time I built these I was too fast.
Well, you were only building the little ones, so they only take a couple of minutes each.
It's true. This one, the big ones aren't that big, so they don't take that much longer anyway. Time-lapsey time. So there we have him! He's got his microphone, he's got a microphone, a boom mic, he's got mixed TV. It's quite cool actually, I like this one. There he is, a bit closer up. Nom 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 nom! He articulates all over the place as you'd expect. I quite like this arm, it's quite cool. This one's a bit of a cop-out, it's a bit boring compared to the other side. And he moves and stuff. So there we go, a nice little build. I think
in this situation, unlike the last time we built one of the Maxes, it was the, I can't remember what they were called.
Tungster Max.
Lixer Max.
Lixer Max.
And the individual characters were the better of the combination. I think in this case his Max form is the better. I wasn't all that keen on the little fellas.
I like the little ones, but we'll keep this one as a Max figure because he's quite cool.
Well, it's up to you. If you want to rebuild the other ones, I'm not going to stop you. But anyway.
That's that for this one. So if you want to see some more Lego builds, because there'll be plenty more coming, then please like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.